It's very hard. This is the one, right? Like bungalow. Yes, now the dish is prepared. What is the dish means? It is kind of a dinengdeng. We take some fresh vegetable nearby our neighbor house. I will show you first what it is, and after that I will explain. See here, oh, hot! My God! Even though this is in this one, it's too much hot. See the smoke. You can see it, right? See how it is. I will tell you what exactly this is. My God, I cannot hold. No. I will hold it. I cannot hold it. Just a little bit. Fresh tamarind in this one. This is some vegetable. This one, okra. And this is the one I will tell you. You know what? The one I show you in this video. Rosie take this one. It's fruits of the turnip. This kind of the fruits of turnip, and also this is we take near our neighbor house only, and pumpkin and some flower also we put. You know that flower, the pumpkin flower. See, but it is already mashed. You know why? It is very soft. That is the reason. First I will, and then some long bean also we have put.
What's this, the white thing?
Yeah, this one is the pumpkin.
Papaya.
I mean papaya, sorry. Papaya. I will first taste this soup. That I can feel. You know why? Because sorry. See, you know why? This is the fresh tamarind. That's why we put that one. When the sourness, it's absorb everything inside this one. I like it. The fruit exactly, it's very tasty. See everything how it is. See. Okay. First I will eat with the rice. Okay.
I will hold.
It's too much hot.
I will hold. Give me.
It's okay. I will hold. Anyway, thank you. My wife always prefer to eat like this one. We don't cook too much. Just half cook only. That is also healthy. See the fruits of the turnip, and then some papaya, and this is some vegetable like black.
Kabatiti daw.
Everything. Kabatiti. Kabatiti. I don't know what exactly this is. I'll show the fruit. Also fruits of the turnip. Tasty. Because the sourness, everything is absorbed. I'm sorry. I miss the rice. Share. Sometimes you will be like this also. I'm going to eat with the okra, very soft. That's it. Okay guys, it's so much. I have to finish up everything and I will show you next video and another kind of dish. And I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and comment. Bye. God bless everyone.